mountains of Zila to the shores of the Indian Ocean. We don't just survive, we reign. Bismillah. I've got the dust of a dollar, my designer shoes, a leading edge of kings. We got nothing to lose. From the white walls of Mogadishu, the pearl of the east, to the mountains of Hargeisa where the brave are released. From rock to Kismayo, feel the breeze of the sea. The blood of the punk land is flowing in me. We were traders of incense, masters of gold, before the stories of the world were ever even told. بردك نحن أحفاد الملوك، تاريخنا في العروق. نحن أحفاد الملوك، تاريخنا في العروق. We are the descendants of kings. أنا صرخة الحق، أنا فخر زمان. I am the fire, the wind and the sand, the sultan, the lion, the king of the land. الذي في قلبي ويزي في يدي. My country is in my heart and my glory is in my hand. They saw the scars, but they missed the crown. You can't keep a Somali spirit in the time. We survived the drought, we survived the fire. Every time we fall, we just climb up higher. From the Ogaden plains to the Djibouti gates, we are the masters of our own fate. No more division, no more who is your tribe. The only vibe we carry is the victory vibe. يد واحدة شعب واحدة كالبنيان المرصوص. يد واحدة شعب واحد كالبنيان المرصوص. My prayers, my shield, my family, my sword. I walk with the power of the one true Lord. الحمد لله على كل حال.